In the Nigerian entertainment industry, we have the celebrities who are not that known to the public that they are siblings. While some are more popular than their other siblings, the lesser known ones are actually hustling in their own ways to be in our line of vision, where you won't have to point before saying, "Do you know this is so and so siblings?" And the person listening will be like, "Who is that?" So today, I'll be talking about Nigerian celebrities who are siblings. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozy, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram, just follow me there. So let's get right into the video. DJ Cuppy and Temi Otedola. Cuppy is a Nigerian DJ, while her younger sister Temi is a fashion blogger. They are the daughters of Nigerian billionaire businessman Femi Otedola, who is the owner of Forte Oil Limited. Temi was born in London, while Cuppy was born in Lagos, Nigeria. They both grew up in London and Lagos. DJ Cuppy is a Nigerian disc jockey and producer. In 2014, Cuppy was the resident DJ at the MTV-based African Music Awards in Dublin. She then played at the Tetley and Christie's Art Ball in London and at the Financial Times Luxury Summit in Mexico City. While her younger sister Temi Otedola is a media personality, TV presenter and fashion blogger based in the United Kingdom. She is popularly known as Mr. Easy's girlfriend. In 2014, she founded JTO Fashion. According to Temi, she fuses her love for both Africa and the West in her style. Temi Otedola has also served as a columnist for the Ella Living Africa magazine and the partner of Lagos Fashion and Design Week. AY and Yomi Casual. Ayo Makun, popularly known as AY, is the elder brother of Yomi Casual. AY is a Nigerian comedian, actor, radio and TV presenter. He is the oldest male child from a family of 7. He married Mabel, an interior designer, in 2008, and they have one daughter, Michelle. AY came into spotlight after being Alibaba's personal assistant and event manager. Yomi Casual, on the other hand, is a fashion designer and has done well clothing the most popular Nigerian celebrities. Laura and Linda Ikeji. Linda Ikeji is the senior sister of Laura Ikeji. They are from Nkwere, Imo State, Nigeria. Linda Ikeji is a Nigerian blogger, writer, entrepreneur, and former model. She is well known for her blog lindaikedisblog.com. In 2006, she started blogging as a hobby. At the time, the internet was not that prominent in Nigeria and she had to make her posts at a cyber cafe. On the other hand, her sister Laura Ikeji is a Nigerian fashion blogger and entrepreneur. Skooky. Skooky is a Nigerian Afro hip-hop duo composed of two brothers, Tumininu Oguniyi and Atewologun Oguniyi. The brothers were both born in the 1980s in Oyo State, Nigeria. The duo developed an interest in music shortly after they graduated from secondary school. Shortly after that, they had to part ways as Tumininu went on to study geography at the University of Lagos, while Atewo studied law at the University of Ibadan. Their father is a musician, director, and producer. Recognizing their talent, he involved them in a nationwide awareness tour of the War Against Indiscipline program, where they performed in the presence of the then head of state, General Ibrahim Babangida, and other notable Nigerians. Teni and Niniola. Nigerian singer Teni is the younger sister of Niniola, who is also a Nigerian singer. Teni was born in Atlanta, USA, but returned to Nigeria when she was a kid. She attended her primary and secondary education at Akpata Memorial High School along with her big sister Niniola. She then returned to the United States to study business administration from American Intercontinental University. While her sister Niniola was born and bred in Lagos State and has lived in Lagos all her life. She attended her primary and secondary education at Akpata Memorial High School. Moreover, she earned a Bachelor of Education certificate from the University of Lagos. Lil Kesh and DJ Lumi. DJ Lumi is the younger brother and official DJ of hip-hop out Lil Kesh. They were born and raised in Bariga, a suburb of Lagos State. Lil Kesh's career in music began in 2012 when he rapped among his colleagues in Bariga. He released Lyrically, a single which became popular at the universities in Nigeria. He rose to fame after releasing the chart-topping song Shocking. Don Jazzy and The Prince. Don Jazzy and his younger brother The Prince are both musicians who have made good music from the days of more hits down to the current Mavin regime. They are from Delta State. Their mother is an Igbo princess from Abia State and their father was an origin of Isoko people of Delta State. Actually, Don Jazzy is a record producer and the owner of Mavin Records. He founded Mavin Records on May 8, 2012, while The Prince is a Nigerian singer that is signed under Mavin Records. Timini and Dakore Ebusin. Dakore Ebusin Akanda is the elder sister of Timini Ebusin. Dakore is a Nigerian actress. She was born in Bayelsa State as the first child of the parents, while her junior brother Timini Ebusin is also a Nigerian actor. He started his career in 2010 on Mnet soap opera Teen So. He became notable in 2013 after he played Toby in the television series Sugar. He hosted GT Bank's Fashion Week red carpet alongside Sharon Ojo in 2017. Chris and Sandra Okabue. Sandra Okabue is the elder sister of Chris Okabue. They are both sons and daughters of the late monarch Obi Ofala Okabue. Christopher and Sandra Okabue are connected to Orange Drugs Limited. Sandra Okabue is a Nigerian model, actress, and entrepreneur. This beautiful woman won several beauty queen contests in Nigeria. She is also popularly known as Flavour Nabela's first baby mama. Sandra's brother Christopher Okabue won several model and acting contests. One of the most notable awards is the Ultimate Man contest of the Golden Ultimate Star Season 8. Chris and Sandra continue to work together. They have recently produced a movie titled Latana. Olamide and DJ Inimoni. Inimoni is the official DJ of YBNN Nation and younger brother of Nigerian rapper Olamide. DJ Inimoni started his professional disc jockey career after senior secondary school in 2015 at Bariga. He gained recognition in 2016 with his debut single Oya Dap, which features Olamide, while his brother Olamide in 2010 released Eniduru under the Coded Tunes record label, which he was signed onto at the time. The song received national critical acclaim and instantly shot Olamide to limelight. Afolayan family. The Afolayan men are well known for their role in Nollywood. Kunle is a popular movie director, while his younger brother Gabriel is a musician and actor as well. Their sister, Moja Afolayan, is also a Nollywood actress. Casey and E-Money. E-Money is the younger brother of Nigerian musician Casey and also the official sponsor of Casey Music Career. He is also the head of shipping company called Emi Cargos Nigeria. The company was established in 1997. E-Money is also into real estate as well as oil and gas. Unlike his elder brother Casey, E-Money is married with 3 sons, Sophia and Kiss Daniel. Sophia is the elder sister of Nigerian singer Kiss Daniel. What most people don't know is that Kiss Daniel's elder sister is an on-air personality who works with Cool FM in Kano. The young lady who doesn't bask in her brother's spotlight seems to be really enjoying doing her job. They are from Abeokuta North local government area of Ogun State, Nigeria. P-Square and Judo Koye. P-Square were a popular Nigerian music duo who were managed by their elder brother Judo Koye, but now they have parted ways to be solo artists with the stage name Mr. P and Rude Boy. Emma and Jesse Jagz. Emma Abaga and his junior brother Jesse Jagz are the rappers in the Nigerian music industry that can never be forgotten. Their parents, Pastor and Mrs. Abaga, are from Tankun, Taraba State. They grew up in Jos, Plateau State, in the music-filled environment where both parents gave them access to the church choir and drum set by age 7. Emma venture in the hip-hop world started with the sampling of musical works from DMS and Lauryn Hill as early as 1998. After his stint at Calvin College, Michigan, USA, he delved into poetry while pursuing a career in business and economics. He is the CEO of Chocolate City since June 2015. While his brother Jesse Jagz has been described as Nigeria's Kanye West because of his flirtatious experimentation with different genres of music from R&B to roots reggae to pop, all built on the predominantly hip-hop foundation. B-Red and Shinorambo. B-Red and Shinorambo are the sons of Ademola Adeleke, a Nigerian politician who was a senior representing Osun West Senatorial District until June 2019. They are from the Adeleke family of Ede in Osun State. They were both born in the United States, but they later relocated to Nigeria with their cousin Davido to pursue music as a career. B-Red's career as a solo act started in 2013 with the release of his single Insane Girl. The song features vocals from Davido and was produced by Shizzy. He rose to fame after releasing the song Uju, which later features Duncan Mighty on the remix. Fade and Sesan Ogunro. Sesan is the elder brother of Fade Ogunro. If you listen to the Beat FM way back in 2015, the name Fade Ogunro is the voice you hear on the Liquid Lounge. Presently, she is the executive producer for Film Factory NG, a multi-award-winning video production company based in Lagos, Nigeria. The company have produced many TV commercial videos for Airtel, Nokia, ARM Life Insurance, and many more, while her brother Sesan is a popular Nigerian music video director. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these celebrity siblings inspires you a lot? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.